What's up, everyone? August 9th, 2017, and let me fix my screen. Recording from my car. Had a busy day at work, but I was able to squeeze in some couple trades this morning. First, let's talk about my swing trade, Nflx. Nflx, I've been holding for a while on my swing account, my small account, and shit, Disney just came out with some news last night, and look at this big dump. I've been holding for a while. I only have 15 shares. Um, but for my small account, I have 15 shares. My stop loss was actually 178. And something that I've learned in the past, I've gotten caught like this before during offerings or things like that. And it comes with the territory. It comes with offerings, with swing trades. So a lot of times you have the initial reaction, dumps, then a lot of times fills the gap. So this one, given that it was already way past my stop loss, I didn't get out last night. I ended up actually holding, and my key level was here around 171 to 170 area. If it broke below that, then I had to immediately get out. But once I noticed it started to hold and push a little bit higher, I ended up getting out right at this resistance pre-market. I thought that was a pre-market resistance. I thought it was going to just from there just bounce down because everything seemed to be panicking from yesterday, that big pullback that we had. But obviously, it just ended up grinding higher. I guess 175. But again, it's the whole purpose here is not so much about the money now, but just being disciplined about my stop loss. And it was already way past my stop loss, and I was just trying to stay disciplined based off of that. So I'm happy about the fact that I didn't panic and get out here after hours. I probably, if I was when I first started swinging, I would have probably got out here at the bottom, but I held through, came got the bounce. So that was for my swing. For day trade accounts, my day trading account that I have, I actually took some shorts, and I like this one here because I think Aaoi was at its it was a golden ratio plus the 50 moving average. I don't remember exactly, but I ended up taking this one short here at the reverse 70. My profit target was 68.50, and my stop loss was up here 73 bucks. I think it was 73. Um, and what ended up happening is that I was trying to be patient with this one, and then I noticed it was kind of holding this double bottom. Pop VWAP just completely rejected this one. I ended up getting out. I think it was like 69.35, 69.25. The spread was large. So I got out way before my profit target. Later on in the day, it hit my profit target plus more. A couple reasons. I had a lunch meeting that I had to go to, but I don't want to use it as an excuse. Um, I just didn't stay long enough. I probably could have maybe trailed it, but I just didn't stick it long enough with this one. But either way, it turned out to be a winner. The other one that I took as short was Dvax. Dvax was a same thing. The $20 resistance got rejected yesterday, and I think there's a golden ratio there too. I don't know how come my drawings are not showing up now, but I think there's a golden ratio that I had there. So it got rejected, and it was continuing the downtrend. Once I noticed that I couldn't get past this pre-market resistance, plus on top of the fact that it had some offerings, I ended up taking the short right at the reversal. It was around this area, 1810. My profit target was $17. Shit, did hit $17. Um, but I ended up getting out. I think it was 1745 where I got out. I think it was around this area where I got out. Again, around the same time I had to go to my lunch meeting, so I had to get out. So I trailed this one here. Later on the day, I ended up hitting my profit target. But I'm not comfortable holding it with trading it. The other one that I took was Shop. My drawings are lagging right now. I'm recording this one from my car. Let me see what comes up here. Shop, I took a short, and let me see. Give me a second. I'm gonna pause it. Let's see if I can pull up the drawings. Okay, I got it to come up. So this one, I forgot my thesis on this one. I wrote it down. I think it was like the 20 moving average. Once it got rejected around this area, I ended up taking a short. I took it a little bit early. I don't remember exactly. I think it was around this area, 95.70. No, I'll take that back. I took it before because it pushed against me. I think I took it around 95.50. But that was gonna, reverse here like what the rest of the stocks. But I ended up pushing a little bit against me. my stop loss was at 97, 96.50 actually. Yeah, it almost came and stopped me out. That's right. It almost came and stopped me out. It didn't stop me out. Ended up reversing, and my profit target was 94. But I screwed up here. This one actually screwed up. My profit target was very aggressive, and then I noticed this one here has a very strong resistance support here. It was former resistance, now support, and it held. So I misplayed it a little bit because my profit target was 94, very aggressive. So when it came here 94.43, it gave me a good chance, and I had a lot of indicators telling me to get out. I didn't get out again for the same fact that I was trying to be more patient and disciplined with my stop losses and my profit targets. Um, but then I noticed it started to push against me, pushed against me, and it was kind of making this revival pattern that Cameron Foos likes to talk about. Makes a revival pattern. So I ended up getting out here right at this red candle because I noticed that it was still holding this trend. It wouldn't break this trend. So I ended up getting out with the small win. I ended up going heavier than I thought by accident, but I still, stuck through this push against me, and I ended up getting this one with a profit. So that's sharp. The other one I took a stab at was LL. They actually got me twice. I was looking for the fail here from yesterday's resistance. I was anticipating a lot of profit taking. It didn't fail, it pushed against me, and I think I set a hard stop. I think it was here where it stopped me out because I think I said if it goes over 37, then there's no reason for me to stay in. So I took a loss there. Then I came back right before the market closed, and I tried to short it again because of the same resistance here, 37. But I ended up pushing against me. It was a small loss. It was a small position size because I knew there was a trade I shouldn't have been taking. Again, just trying to stay disciplined in regards to my trading and my position sizing. So I ended up getting stopped out again for it was a very small loss. Um, Google, I ended up swinging this one on my Interactive Brokers account. This one I panicked a little bit, I gotta admit. I ended up getting out here at 9:34. I've been swinging this one since Thursday, I think. Not Thursday, Monday. No, I think it was last week. 9:40 and 9:39 was my entry. 9:31 was my original stop loss, and I panicked a bit when it was making this move here. So I ended up getting out here almost at the bottom. It pushed against me. I was a little pissed off. I was like, man, I should just stuck to my stop loss. And so what I did actually is that once it came to the same area where it stopped me out, I went back in. So I just consider this as a part of the swing, um, giving some of the money back, but it's fine. I went back in because now I'm definitely going to stick to my stop loss, which is 931. If you look at the daily, it held here once, twice, three times. So this is a strong support. If it gets down to 931 area, then I'll get out for sure this time. But that's what I did. The market pulled back hard yesterday. It kind of made me a little bit nervous, but this ramp up here towards the end of the day kind of made things a little bit better. But anyway, that's it. My video's getting long. Talk to you guys later.